Hey guys, it's Paul and I'm currently sitting in what I like to call the People's Skyline, the R34 Skyline GT. You know it, the budget version with the 2-liter naturally aspirated RB engine. Now this is a sedan and I know, it's an amazing car. Furthermore, it's not just an amazing car, it's a Skyline, so it makes it all that much more amazing. But I have to admit that it doesn't sound too thrilling now, does it? 2-liter naturally aspirated, yeah. However, do not let it looks fool you. This is a very special GT. Okay, now let's see how this thing accelerates, shall we? Remember, always safety first, and let's do this. There we go. And this was something different, wasn't it? Not what you would expect from an HR34, it ain't. And it was just a little bit terrifying, I have to say. Now, of course, there is a reason for this, and it's right under the bonnet, so let's have a look at it too. There we go. So naturally, the secret to this car lies under its bonnet, so let's have a look there. There we go. And who would have thought there's an RB26 inside? Yeah, I know this might not seem all that surprising. However, well, the popular way to do this is to put an RB26 into a GT4, which has a 4-wheel drive layout similar to that of the GTR. However, putting the RB26 into an HR34, it's a completely different story. And so this engine came either from an R32 or an R33 GTR, and it's paired to a Series 1 R32 GTR transmission. However, the transfer has been cut off of the transmission, so it remains rear wheel driven. Honestly, this is just an insane amount of work, and it's all put right into this sedan. Yeah, and honestly, this might just be the ultimate sleeper car. Yeah, it's genuinely awesome. And well, the list of modifications does not end there either. So for example, the car has a GTR intercooler on it. It also comes with a Grady oil cooler and Grady piping too. It has an aftermarket injector as well as an epoxy intake. And honestly, lots of work put into this astonishing build. Now, for some reason, the car rides on genuine OEM 350Z wheels, which is a funky choice. However, I have to admit that it suits the car rather well. Yeah, it's not that bad at all. And then it's also fitted out with Brembo calipers for some extra braking action. And this car really needs all the braking action it can get, because for one reason or another, the ABS is deactivated. I don't know, maybe it's just well, not to spoil the fun, but it's horrifying, honestly. And well, in the back, the car has an aftermarket LSD installed too. And while it does its job, the truth is it is a little too big, and you can feel it when turning at lower speeds. However, again, it works. It's not that bad. So yeah, this is it. And this car will be up for sale in the future. Yeah. And I'm sure a lot of you know this, but we usually do not perform any customization work on our cars. Yes, we fix them up before they are exported, but we do not customize them unless the customer specifically asks us to. However, in this case, we thought it would be a great shame because this genuinely might be just the ultimate sleeper car. So we thought we will give it the matching looks. Yeah, what we will do is we will put a Urus Type R body kit on it, and then we'll get it repainted in a new hot color. Yeah, and honestly, we are really pumped up because this is the first time we customize one of our cars, and we genuinely look forward to see how it ends up. Naturally, we will try to put as much of the process as possible on video. So yeah, while it will take us some time to get the job done, please be patient and look forward to it because there will be some amazing videos to shoot out of this build. And well, we just look forward to the end result, as should you. Yeah, again, honestly, amazing car, and it will get better. So please make sure to tune in the future. And well, as always, thanks very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more JDM related content, and let us know if you want to buy a car. Let us know if you want to buy parts. Yeah, thanks again. Goodbye. Have a nice day.